How you doing, sir?
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, before you start cutting, what you want to do is pick the hair out or brush the hair down just to lay it in place so everything is neat. So starting with the first guideline, I'm going to set in my bald line using my Slimline Pro LIs. So I'm going to switch it up on this one. I'm going to use my Masters with the lever open and go up about 1 inch. Now with the one guard open, same thing, I'm going up about 1 inch, but this time I'm scooping out. So when you do an afro, you want to make sure that you keep picking the hair out even after you shape it, or after you do anything to it. So right now I'm going up with a 2 guard open and I'm just cleaning that area at the top. Dropping back down to my 1 guard, I'm just going back over that area between the 1 and the 2 just to make sure everything blends in well. Putting on that 0 guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now keep in mind that you're going to have to adjust the lever as you go up. So for final step, what you want to do is do some detail work. Make sure you focus your eye on something else for a quick 10 seconds or something. Come back to the blend and just use your corners and get out those dark spots. So right here I'm using my magic clips, doing a little freehand at the top just to make sure everything blends in when I do the final shape up. So as far as the back goes, it's the same step. I use my bald line with my Slimline Pro LIs. I use my Masters with the lever open. Then I jump open to the 1 guard open. Then I go into the 2 guard. Drop back down to the 0 guard closed. Flick out, clear out that bottom line. Same thing with the lever closed. Flick out that bottom line. And then I do some detail work. So So right here, I'm gonna freehand using my wall magic clips. And for any beginner out here, the best way to shape an afro is to start from the bottom to the top. That way you get a better circular motion. You can't really get a good circular motion going sideways, so make sure you start from the bottom to the top. the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Now, I know you guys are gonna be like, oh man, you should curl sponge it. I'm gonna curl sponge it right now. If you guys seen any tools in this video that you would like to purchase, make sure you check out the links in the description below. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to Hustle Dreams Productions. His YouTube channel will be in the link in the description as well. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. I also got a Twitter though. You can follow me there at 360_Jeezy. Yeah. But it's your boy 360Jeezy and I'm out of here.